Hey everybody, Scrappa Maureen here. This video is what we're calling Collection Obsession. And for this Collection Obsession, I used a collection with Doodlebug. It's called, I think it's Winter Wonderland. So I got, I don't know, 6, maybe 7 layouts. Let's see, here's one. And the rest are all use of my mixed media backgrounds that I've made in a mixed media video before. So this is the second one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of them. Not bad. So there you go. That is my collection obsession. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like that, tune back in for more. Happy crafting.